In 2008, the Blade Electron was acknowledged by the CSIRO and the Society of Automotive Engineers as Australia's first modern fully electric vehicle. Having complied with Australia's strict design rules for passenger cars, the Electron was approved for low-volume production through the Road Vehicle Certification System, and from late 2009 displayed the green low-volume compliance plate. If Blade was to achieve his goal of a partnership with one of the big three Australian car manufacturers, he'd have to demonstrate his ability to re-engineer a car body that would stand up against the crushing scrutiny of a crash test. There were questions that only a crash test could answer. Would the airbags deploy correctly on impact, or would the installation of an entirely new front-end drive system delay the deployment of this critical safety system? Would the passenger doors still readily open after impact, given the substantial increase in rear weight due to the addition of batteries? Or would the passengers instead be sealed in as the car crumpled on impact? Would the occupants escape injury in a collision, or would they be maimed, or would they suffer the unthinkable? Prior to the crash test, the vehicle was fitted with a range of instruments to record the impact's effect on the vehicle. Test dummies designed to simulate the effect of impact on passengers were placed in the two front seats and similarly wired. On the day of the test, the tension among the team members was palpable. The future of the entire project, the future of the Blade Electron, rested on the outcome of the upcoming test. Yes, the airbags deployed precisely when they should. Yes, the passenger doors could be readily opened after a collision. Yes, the occupants would escape injury under the test conditions. With the crash test completed, the Electron Mark V went into production. Importantly, customers could now conveniently obtain insurance online through mainstream insurers such as Suncorp, AAMI, GIO and others. In addition, members of Parliament, both federal and state and in New Zealand, could confidently choose an Electron as their parliamentary vehicle. Members such as Amanda Bresnan in the ACT, and in New Zealand the Environment Minister Nick Smith. In the following year, the Blade Electron was approved for full volume production, and models after this point carried the silver compliance plate. The crash test was a total success and demonstrated that Blade could take a locally made car body through second stage of manufacture as a fully electric vehicle. The question was, would a local car manufacturer make a body available?